How to group values by range in Excel pivot table. Grouping by range, often called binning, is the best way to turn a long list of individual prices or units into organized brackets. So when you're dealing with numerical data like sales prices or unit counts, your pivot table can get cluttered fast. Seeing 50 different price points doesn't give you the big picture. Today, I'm showing you how to group those numbers into custom ranges or bins in under 3 minutes. We're going to take our hardware sales and group them into logical price brackets so you can see exactly where your revenue is coming from. Okay, so look at your pivot table where you have a numerical field, like for example, sales in dollars. And then just right click any single number in that column. After that, select group. So click on here. Okay, so you just select your number and then just right click any single number in that column. After that, select group. And when you select this group, you will have the starting at, ending at, and by. So Excel usually suggests the min and max values automatically, and the by field is where you set your range. So for example, you can just type 500 and hit OK. And if automatic groups don't fit your business logic, you can easily go back into that group menu and override the starting at value. And that's going to be perfect for categorizing high-end gear versus budget peripherals. So grouping by range turns a messy list of numbers into a clear story. If this grouping hack helped you your report today, don't forget to like and subscribe.